Good morning, friends. Today we're going to be reading a story called Bear Feels Sick. It's written by Karma Wilson. Remember, the person that writes the story is called the author. So the author is Karma Wilson. Let's start reading.
Hello, little readers. Today we'll be reading Bear Feels Sick by Karma Wilson. Illustrations by Jane Chapman. Alone in his cave, as the autumn wind blows, Bear feels achy with a stuffed-up nose. He tosses and he turns, all huddled in a heap. Bear feels tired, but he just can't sleep. He sniffs and he sneezes, he whiffs and he wheezes, and the bear feels sick. His friends gather around. Come out, Bear, and play. Bear shakes his head. I'm too sick today. Mouse mutters, oh my, Bear's head is too hot. Hare says, we will help. Here's a warm, cozy spot. Bear mumbles and he moans, he grumbles and he groans, and the bear feels sick. Mouse squeezes Bear tight. He whispers in his ear, it'll be just fine, your friends are all here. Badger fetches water, Gopher cooks the broth, while Mole soothes Bear with a cool, wet cloth. They cover Bear up and he drinks from a cup, but he still feels sick. Raven says, caw! Come along, Owl and Wren. Let us go gather herbs to bring back to the den. They coax Bear to sit, just a smidgen of tea. You'll feel better soon, says Mouse. Wait and see. Bear shakes and he shivers, he coughs and he quivers, and he still feels sick. The end.
Okay, I hope you liked our story today. And now after we've read the story, we're going to talk about what we read and how we can understand the story by looking back at information from the book to answer some questions. So I hope you can play along. I'm going to ask you some questions and think about what you heard in the story and let that help you answer these questions. First, who is the main character in the story? There are lots of characters in the story, but who is the story mainly about? Who is the star of our story? I'm going to give you a second to think about that. Is the main character in our story Hare or Rabbit? Another name for rabbit is hare. Or is the main character Bear? Okay, if you said the main character of the story is Bear, then you were correct. Let's try another one. Where does the story take place? Does the story take place in a house? Or does the story take place in a cave? If you said the story took place in a cave, then you are correct. How about this one? Why couldn't Bear go to sleep? Is it because Bear was sick or because Bear was hungry? That's right. If you said Bear couldn't go to sleep because he was sick, then you're correct.